At first upgrade your pip. Then install the module, playsound. You can download Python software from Play Store. For alarm, we need to import datetime. After that we need to import playsound. Now we are going to declare a variable alarm and take input. Now as per the input, we are going to tell the computer which input will be hours, which will be minutes, seconds, and period. Python is a zero-based index, that's why it stars from 0 and all the way to 9. We are going to declare a variable now, and store the current time in it. The strophtime function is used to convert date and time objects, where I means hours. Here is a chart of their meaning. How an alarm works. First, we set a time for an alarm. When the alarm times is equal to our present or current time, the alarm set off. Here with the if statement, we just told the computer this alarm thing. How an alarm works. Save an audio in the same folder where the code is, and mention the exact name in the code. Oh, it's not working because we have written PM in lowercase. For this we have a solution, to make all the input in uppercase. If you get the 263 error when play the sound, write pip install playsound 1.2.2.